Hi guys, we're back for another cooking video today, and I've decided I'm going to make creamy garlic chicken pasta. So for this recipe you're going to need chicken breast. I've got 4 large chicken breasts there, 1 large onion, 3 tablespoons of garlic. Now you can put as much garlic as you want. I just prefer mine really garlicky. Pint of chicken stock, some chicken powder, as seen in previous videos. It's absolutely amazing for seasoning chicken. Pasta of your choice, double cream and hard Italian cheese, and some Italian herb seasoning. Let's give it a go. Right, so I'm just heating my pan up at the minute. I'm going to add some olive oil. Ooh. Oh, somebody's out to get me there, that was loose. Some olive oil, plenty of that. See, that's it. Then we're going to start adding the chicken. I'm just going to grab this and hope for the best as a wanna. So I should have waited for that to heat up a bit more really before putting the chicken in, but now it's starting to sizzle. And I'm just gonna add some chicken powder. Just give it extra flavour. I'm gonna go for 2 teaspoons of this. Very salty, but because I've got 4 large breasts, that'll be good. I'm going to add some Italian herbs, much as you want of that. I'm going to go heavy, as I always do. Just going to add a bit of white pepper. Bit of white pepper. You just keep mixing it all up till it goes a nice golden colour. Right, that's nicely cooked now. Got some bits of golden on it, so that's good. Pop that to the side on a plate. Just pop that to the side. Now for the next bit, I'm going to get some butter. Big hunk of butter. Or should I say butter? I'm going to pop in the onions. It's a lovely dish, is this. You can add all sorts to it. Mushrooms, bacon, ham, whatever you like really. I'm going to be just adding a bit of steamed broccoli to mine, because it's a highly fattening tea, so to say, with the cream and everything, the butter. But scrape them good bits off the bottom there. Just let them cook a bit, soften up. So this should feed about 4 or 5 people. So good family hearty tea. Especially if you serve it with some nice vegetables. Just to give it some healthism. Not that that counteracts the cream or anything, but oh well, life's for living, I suppose. Right, I'm just going to have the garlic now. So I've got loads of garlic, but you can add as much as you want, your preference. Don't want that garlic to burn, so now I'm just going to add the chicken back. So like I said, I don't want this garlic to burn. Give it a good mix. Then to that I'm going to add the pint of stock. It might look like a lot, but it does come together in the end. Just let that simmer. So I'm going to let that simmer now, and I'm going to come back once the pasta's boiled for the final touches. Right, we're back. The pasta's cooked, and I have reduced the liquid in the chicken mixture. So to your cooked pasta, you just add the chicken mixture. Just give that a little mix. You've got to work pretty fast with this because obviously you're using cream. So, and then to that I'm going to add a whole tub of the double cream. whole tub of that. That. And the hard Italian cheese, Parmesan, whatever you want to call it. Just pop that in. Like that. Give it a nice mix. There it is, it's creamy garlic chicken pasta. Just gonna add a few more herbs to the top. Just sprinkle a few on top like that. There you have it. Enjoy.